Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to give your videos a cooler and cleaner look in Canva? Canva Mobile includes several cool filters that can add cooler tones and create a fresh visual style with just a few taps. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to apply cool filters to videos in Canva Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. You can open an existing video project or create a new video project. For this example, I'll create a new video. Tap video, choose YouTube video. Next, select a template to continue. Once the video editor opens, tap the video clip you want to edit on the timeline. Swipe through the editing tools below the timeline until you find filters. Then tap filters. The filters panel will open. Select cool if you don't see it. Swipe through the filter categories until you find cool. The cool category includes several filter styles that can give your video a cooler appearance. Tap any filter to preview the effect on your video. Try different filters and choose the one that best matches the style you want. Once you are finished, tap the X icon, then tap the check mark icon. The selected cool filter will be applied to your video. To save your video, tap the upload icon. You can choose share or download. For this example, I'll select download. The download screen will appear. You can choose a file type and quality setting or leave the default settings as they are. Then tap download. Canva will begin downloading your video. And that's how to apply cool filters to videos in Canva Mobile on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.